Morning gang, Crafty B here. Today, teach you how to sharpen a drill without a drill sharpening machine. Go to your bolt bend, grab two of the biggest nuts you have. Well, they don't have to be the biggest, half-inchers, that'll be fine. Weld them together. There's your drill point gauge. If your drill's really destroyed, just work that edge in using your gauge to get the point right. You just keep checking that with the gauge, and once you get happy with that, it's time to put the edge on. Touch, roll forward. Touch, roll forward. It's very important to try to keep these cutting edges the same length, otherwise your drill's probably going to drill big. Just keep practicing, you'll get really good at it. Thanks for watching.